Someone forgot the doors. We're trapped.
Olive, how are we going to get out of here? Pyramids always have a secret exit.
But how are we going to find it?
I don't know, Squidgy. We'll have to look around. Hey, what's Kia doing? It's the secret exit!
They didn't make any doors, but they did make a cat flap.
But can we fit through? Sure we can. You just have to pretend you're a cat. Meow. Huh?
Huh?
Meow. Meow. Meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow. Meow, meow. We're out. But where's Kia? Kia, where are you? Don't worry, Olive. We'll find Kia. Oh, no! That's the Queen! What are we going to tell her?
Okay, maybe we should tell her that she ran away with a sphinx. Or she turned into stone. Or,
No, Squidgy. We have to tell her the truth. Your Highness.
Hello, Olive. I'm so looking forward to seeing my beautiful Kia. Where is she?
Well, see, the thing is, Kia ran away. But it's not Olive's fault. I tried to give her a bath and...
You tried to bathe my cat?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
A bath for Kia. How marvelous! Now, let's see if we can find her. Oh, there you are, Kia.
You're not angry with us?
Angry? No, sweetie pie. I'm happy we have Kia back. And I'm very happy that you told the truth. Come along, darling. We have a parade to go to. Listen.
hooray!
And after the parade, you're having a bath, my dear. Justin!
Uh-oh. Sounds like we have to go. We have our own parade, the Halloween parade. Have fun. You too. Bye, Olive.
Bye, Olive.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
I still can't find my phone.
Mom?
Yes, honey?
Mom, I was playing with the phone and now I can't find it. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It is?
Yes, I'm glad you were honest. That's important, Justin. And now I know the phone's in the house.
But I can't find it anywhere.
All we have to do is listen.
Nice! You can call your phone and we'll hear it ring.
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Ready for the Halloween parade?
You bet.